Nestled amidst the lush Western Ghats of Karnataka lies a picturesque town that seems to be plucked straight out of a fairy tale. Madikeri, the heart of Coorg, beckons travelers with its misty hills that seem to touch the sky, verdant valleys that stretch as far as the eye can see, and aromatic spice plantations that fill the air with a heady fragrance. Often referred to as the Scotland of India, Madikeri's rolling hills and pleasant climate evoke a charm reminiscent of the Scottish Highlands. The cool breeze and the serene environment make it a perfect getaway. The moniker is apt, not just for the landscape, but also for the region's colonial past. The town is dotted with historic buildings that tell tales of a bygone era. The British, upon setting foot in Coorg, were reminded of their homeland and left an indelible mark on the region's architecture and culture. Their influence is evident in the colonial-era buildings that still stand tall today. Madikeri, with its captivating scenery, promises an unforgettable experience for nature enthusiasts, adventure seekers, and those seeking respite from the ordinary. Whether it's trekking through the lush forests, exploring the coffee plantations, or simply soaking in the breathtaking views, there's something for everyone. Come, let us delve into the enchanting world of Madikeri and discover the treasures it holds. From its natural beauty to its rich history, Madikeri is a destination that promises to leave a lasting impression on all who visit. No trip to Madikeri is complete without a sensory journey through its famed coffee plantations. Coorg, renowned as one of India's largest producers of coffee, offers a captivating experience for coffee aficionados and nature lovers alike. As you stroll through the sprawling estates, the aroma of coffee beans drying under the sun fills the air, invigorating your senses. The sight of coffee plants, laden with crimson berries against the backdrop of verdant hills, is a sight to behold. Many plantations offer guided tours, allowing visitors to witness the entire coffee-making process from bean to cup. Learn about the different coffee varieties grown in the region, understand the art of coffee cultivation, and indulge in a freshly brewed cup of Coorg's finest. Madikeri is blessed with an abundance of natural beauty, and its waterfalls are a testament to this. Among the many cascades that grace the region, Abbey Falls and Irupu Falls stand out for their sheer magnificence. Located just a short drive from Madikeri town, Abbey Falls plunges down a rocky precipice, creating a breathtaking spectacle. Surrounded by lush coffee and spice plantations, the falls offer a serene escape amidst nature's symphony. Irupu Falls, nestled in the Brahmagiri mountain range, is another gem waiting to be discovered. The Lakshmana-Tirtha River cascades down a height of about 60 feet, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The falls are considered sacred by Hindus and are associated with the epic Ramayana. Section 4. Scenic Vistas, Raja's Seat and Mandalpati Peak. For those seeking panoramic views of Madikeri's breathtaking landscapes, Raja's Seat and Mandalpati Peak are must-visit destinations. These two spots offer unique experiences that capture the essence of Coorg's natural beauty. Raja's Seat, meaning King's Seat, is a garden perched atop a hill offering stunning views of the surrounding hills and valleys. The garden is beautifully maintained, with vibrant flowers and well-manicured lawns that add to its charm. Legend has it that the kings of Coorg once sat here, mesmerized by the beauty of the sunset. The view of the sun dipping below the horizon, casting a golden glow over the landscape, is truly a sight to behold. Today, the garden remains a popular spot for both locals and tourists to unwind and soak in the panoramic vistas. Whether you're looking to relax with a book, take a leisurely stroll, or simply enjoy the view, Raja's Seat offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. Mandalpati Peak, located about 25 kilometers from Madikeri, offers a more adventurous experience. The journey to the peak is an adventure in itself, with a rugged terrain that promises an exhilarating ride. A jeep ride through rugged terrain leads to the summit, where you are rewarded with breathtaking views of the surrounding hills, valleys, and coffee plantations. The peak offers a 360-degree view that is both awe-inspiring and humbling, making it a perfect spot for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Section 5. Spiritual Sojourn, Omkareshwara Temple. Amidst the natural splendor of Madikeri lies the Omkareshwara Temple, a testament to the region's rich history and architectural heritage. Built in the 18th century by King Lingarajendra II, the temple showcases a unique blend of architectural styles, combining elements of both Hindu and Islamic traditions. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is known for its distinctive dome-shaped structure, a departure from traditional Hindu temple architecture. The temple complex also houses a large pond, home to numerous fish, adding to the serene ambience of the place. A visit to Omkareshwara temple offers a glimpse into the cultural and religious tapestry of Korg, providing a moment of peace and reflection amidst your explorations. Section 6. Into the wild Nagahole National Park. For wildlife enthusiasts, a trip to Madikeri is incomplete without venturing into the wilderness of Nagahole National Park. Located on the banks of the Kabini River, the park is home to a diverse array of flora and fauna, making it a haven for nature lovers and wildlife photographers. Embark on a thrilling jeep safari and witness the park's inhabitants in their natural habitat. Spot majestic tigers, elusive leopards, herds of elephants, and a plethora of bird species, including the Malabar pied hornbill. The park's diverse landscapes, ranging from dense forests to open grasslands, provide a unique backdrop for your wildlife adventures. Section 7. Planning your trip, climate and best time to visit. Madikeri enjoys a pleasant climate throughout the year, making it an ideal destination for all seasons. Nestled in the Western Ghats, this charming hill station offers a refreshing escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Whether you're looking for a serene retreat or an adventurous getaway, Madikeri has something for everyone. However, the best time to visit is during the post-monsoon and winter months from October to May. During these months, the weather is at its most inviting, with temperatures ranging from a cool 15 degrees Celsius to a comfortable 25 degrees Celsius. The air is crisp and the skies are clear, providing perfect conditions for sightseeing and outdoor activities. During this time, the weather is cool and pleasant, with clear skies and breathtaking views. The winter months in particular are ideal for exploring the lush coffee plantations, trekking through the verdant hills, and enjoying the panoramic vistas that Madikeri is renowned for. The monsoon season from June to September brings heavy rainfall, transforming the region into a lush green paradise. The rains rejuvenate the landscape, making it a haven for nature lovers and photographers. The waterfalls are at their most spectacular, and the flora is in full bloom, creating a vibrant and picturesque setting. While the rain enhances the region's beauty, it can sometimes hinder outdoor activities. Roads can become slippery, and certain trails may be closed due to safety concerns. However, if you don't mind the occasional downpour, the monsoon season offers a unique and tranquil experience. The summer months, from March to May, are pleasant but can get slightly warm during the day. Temperatures can rise to around 30 degrees Celsius, but the evenings remain cool and comfortable. This is a great time for those who enjoy warmer weather and wish to explore the region's natural beauty without the crowds. Pack light cotton clothes, comfortable walking shoes, and a light jacket for the evenings. It's also advisable to carry an umbrella or raincoat if you're visiting during the monsoon season. Being prepared for the weather will ensure that you have a comfortable and enjoyable trip. No matter when you choose to visit, Madikeri is sure to captivate your senses and leave you with unforgettable memories. The town's rich cultural heritage, combined with its natural beauty, makes it a must-visit destination for travelers of all ages. From its aromatic coffee plantations to its cascading waterfalls, scenic viewpoints and abundant wildlife, Madikeri offers a perfect blend of nature, adventure and cultural immersion. Whether you're sipping on freshly brewed coffee, hiking to a hidden waterfall or simply soaking in the serene landscapes, Madikeri promises an experience that will stay with you long after you've left.